Michael, have you heard about the Boston Central Artery tunnel project?
Yes, that was a massive construction project in Boston, right?
Yes, it was. It was also known as the Big Dig. The project was started in 1982 and was completed in 2007. It involved the construction of a 3.5-mile tunnel that connected the city's main highways, as well as the reconstruction of the Central Artery.
Wow, that must have cost a fortune.
It did. The project was originally estimated to cost $2.8 billion, but the final cost was over $14.6 billion.
That's a huge difference. What caused the cost overrun?
There were several factors. One was the complexity of the project, which required the use of cutting-edge technology. Another was the extensive environmental mitigation measures that had to be implemented. There were also numerous change orders and design revisions that added to the cost.
I see. Were there any legal issues with the project?
Yes, there were several. One of the most notable was the collapse of the ceiling panels in one of the tunnels in 2006, which resulted in the death of a woman and several injuries. This led to a $28 million settlement with the victim's family.
That's terrible. Were there any other legal issues?
Yes, there were. The Massachusetts Turnpike Authority, which was responsible for the project, also filed lawsuits against several contractors, claiming that they had performed defective work.
What was the outcome of those lawsuits?
The outcome varied. Some contractors were awarded damages, while others were not. There were also several settlements reached. The Massachusetts Turnpike Authority was also found to have mismanaged the project and was criticized for its lack of oversight.
Wow, it sounds like the Boston Central Artery tunnel project was a very complex and challenging project. It's interesting to see how legal issues can arise even in the largest and most well-funded projects.
Absolutely. That's why it's important for all parties involved in a construction project to have a solid understanding of the legal issues that can arise and to take steps to manage risk.
That's a good point. As always, be sure to subscribe to Construction Guru HQ. It's a great resource for professionals in the construction industry to stay up to date on legal issues and best practices.